If you live in Knoxville, you already know the weather can be a little unpredictable. Hot, humid summers, chilly winters, sudden storms, and plenty of sunshine all put your home's windows to the test. When homeowners start thinking about window replacement, one of the most common questions is whether vinyl windows can really handle Knoxville's climate. The short answer? Yes, and in many cases, they're an excellent choice. Built for heat and humidity, Knoxville summers can be steamy, and humidity is often the biggest concern for homeowners. Vinyl windows perform especially well in humid environments because they don't absorb moisture. Unlike wood, vinyl won't swell, rot, or warp when exposed to damp air or heavy rain. This means your windows maintain a tight seal year after year, helping keep indoor temperatures stable and preventing drafts. Vinyl frames are also resistant to corrosion, making them ideal for homes that experience frequent temperature changes and moisture. Whether it's a summer thunderstorm or a stretch of humid days, vinyl windows are designed to hold up without constant maintenance. Energy efficiency that works year-round. Knoxville experiences both hot summers and cool winters, so energy efficiency matters. Vinyl windows are known for their insulating properties, which help reduce heat transfer. In the summer, they keep hot air outside where it belongs. In the winter, they help trap warmth indoors, making your home more comfortable without overworking your HVAC system. Many vinyl windows are available with double or triple panes, low-E glass, and insulated frames. These features can significantly reduce energy loss, which often translates into lower utility bills. For homeowners looking to stay comfortable while managing energy costs, vinyl windows check a lot of boxes. Low maintenance for busy homeowners. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is how easy they are to maintain. Knoxville homeowners don't need to worry about sanding, repainting, or sealing vinyl frames. They don't peel, chip, or fade easily, even with regular sun exposure. Cleaning is simple, usually just soap and water. For families, retirees, or anyone who doesn't want to spend weekends maintaining their windows, vinyl is a stress-free option that still looks great for years. Durable enough for stormy weather. Knoxville sees its share of storms, from heavy rain to strong winds. High-quality vinyl windows are engineered to be durable and impact-resistant, helping protect your home during severe weather. Properly installed vinyl windows also provide excellent sealing, reducing the risk of water leaks and air infiltration. This durability adds peace of mind, especially during storm season, when homeowners want to feel confident their windows can handle whatever the forecast brings. Affordable without sacrificing quality. Vinyl windows are often more affordable than other window materials, making them a popular choice for homeowners who want quality without overspending. Their long lifespan and low maintenance requirements also add to their overall value. When you factor in energy savings and reduced upkeep costs, vinyl windows can be a smart long-term investment for Knoxville homes. So, are vinyl windows right for you? For many Knoxville homeowners, vinyl windows are a practical, reliable, and cost-effective option. They handle humidity well, improve energy efficiency, require minimal maintenance, and stand up to local weather conditions. While every home is different, vinyl windows are a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade comfort, performance, and curb appeal in Knoxville's changing climate. If you're considering new windows, vinyl is definitely worth a closer look.